Hey guys, welcome to our second vlog. I'm Jams, and today I'm going to take you with me through my typical day of shop work. Normally when I start the day, I try to get the hardest things done first, and that's usually cutting stickers with my Cricut machine. It definitely takes up a big chunk of my day, so sometimes I'll try to work on other things between each step. My Cricut has saved so much time for me though. I can't imagine going back to cutting each sticker by hand. It's definitely a long process, but sometimes it's actually really satisfying to watch the Cricut cut out each shape. Right now you can see that I'm packing each set of boba stickers into their labeled bags, and that way that's so that they'll be ready for me to fill orders later on. And here's a clip of me packing a bunch of sets that were sent to our product reps. They get free bundles from us of our latest products, and that way they can help us promote our shop on their Instagram pages. I really love rewatching these clips sometimes. For some reason it can be so relaxing, and I find myself watching other vlogs like this. And here they are, ready to send out. So this is kind of random. Recently we invested in a thermal label printer, and this is just my late night unboxing. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube about thermal printers and which ones work best, and I kept coming back to this Zebra. It's the LP2844. I believe it's an older model, but a lot of sellers who use it, they say it's really versatile and it has a great quality build quality compared to Dymos. A lot of people say that Dymos, the plastic is a lot like a cheaper quality, I guess. But it was so exciting to finally get it in the mail that I opened it right when I got home from work that day, and by then it was already nearly 10 p.m. And here you'll see kind of a random clip too, but I was wiping everything down. I did get this, well, we did get this printer off of eBay, so I just wanted to be sure, you know, I just had to clean it a bit. Having this printer is like a little reminder of how far we've come since opening our shop. When we first started, and even still sometimes to this day, I write all of the addresses by hand. Right now, because of the printer, I can use it to make labels, but for some orders I still have to write it by hand. Pretty sure I wiped the whole thing, I think twice. And there she is, she's clean. And lastly, to top off this vlog, we have a small look into what packing our shop orders is like. I try to put as much love and care into each order we get so that hopefully people can feel how much we appreciate their support. We've gotten to the point where it's hard to spend too much time on each order, but I still just try to make it as special as possible. I remember before we opened our shop, I was most looking forward to this part, just packing orders. I could do this all day. So I hope you enjoyed following me around in this vlog. If you want to see more of us, feel free to subscribe here on YouTube, where we want to upload more vlogs for you. And find us over on Instagram, where we post more regularly. Thanks!